Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have my first in-person class for July ready to go. It's going to be a mommy and me class, or it could be a daddy and me if a dad wants to bring his child. It's going to be the Robot Buddies card class, and each child will receive their own kit. And they'll be able to make the cards the way that they want. It's going to come with the stamp set and ink, and I'll go over everything now, but the class will be July 8th, and you can choose from 10 a.m. or 6 p.m. And just email me to register. So let me show you the kit. So let me show you what's inside this kit. Each child will receive their own kit, and it includes the instructions to make 9 cards. But what I love about this kit is you're able to customize how you want to make your cards. So I'll show you in a minute. It includes a clear block and the stamp set, the Robot Buddy stamp set, and 2 ink spots that you'll use, Pumpkin Pie and Bermuda Bay. And all this is going to be theirs to take home. So what I did is, like, this is the card according to the instructions, and then I customized my other 2. It comes with 2 sticker sheets, so you can see your children can make them however they like. They can follow the instructions or not. This is another one. I followed the instructions, and then I customized my other ones using the stickers. Using the stickers makes these cards so easy to make for the kids. Another one, according to instructions, and then I think those are kind of the same. I just changed the sentiment and customized myself with these sticker sheets. It comes with the 9 envelopes that they can send cards to somebody or for one of their friends' birthdays or something. It comes with the 2 sticker sheets. As you could tell, I used quite a bit of mine to customize. It came with 2 of the die cuts, and you can see I have extras. It came with the little googly eyes. I call them googly eyes. Plenty left over. And the dimensionals. And so your child will receive this kit, and then they get to take everything home so you can make more cards later. And they're going to receive a special gift from me as well. But I'm here to help you and your child put these cards together, and if we have time, maybe make some extras. So this class is $25 per child. If you have any questions, let me know. This will be in my home, and I'm having a class at 10 o'clock a.m. and a class at 6 p.m. It's roughly about 2 hours. Should be plenty of time to put the cards together. And if you have any questions, just let me know. You can register by emailing me at lcdesigns1@comcast.net. The class is July 8th, and you must register by July 4th. Thanks so much. I can't wait to have fun with you and your child. Take care. Bye-bye.